Rajpal Yadav, who has featured in over 215 released films along with several shelved projects, has consistently maintained that he has never been out of work in a career spanning nearly 3 decades. In an earlier interview, the actor recalled his early days in Mumbai, saying that he arrived in the city in 1997 with the contact of a Mumbai based woman, Manju Ji, who had given him her number after watching his play. She later offered him a 5-episode role in Swaraj, and from that point on, up until Baby John last year, he said he always had multiple offers to choose from. However, the actor now finds himself in financial trouble, publicly stating that he does not have the money to repay a debt dating back to 2010, which has reportedly risen to 9 crore. He had taken a loan of Rs 5 crore to make his directorial debut Ata Pata Lapata, which failed at the box office. Despite reportedly earning around Rs 7 to 8 crore over the last 2 years, mounting interest and legal delays since 2010 have prevented him from clearing the outstanding amount. His current situation has reignited the debate around how character actors are compensated in the film industry. Several social media users have highlighted the fees he reportedly earned from his last 5 projects, which together are said to amount between Rs 7 and 8 crores. According to reports, Rajpal Yadav was paid just 4% of what Varun Dhawan reportedly earned for Baby John. Rajpal is said to have received Rs 1 crore for his role in the 2024 film. He was reportedly paid Rs 1 crore each for Kathal, Dream Girl and Baby John. For Chandu Champion, he is believed to have earned 2 crores, while for Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3, his fee was reportedly between Rs 2 and 3 crores. Though the specifics of his finances remain private, Rajpal Yadav's emotional statement before surrendering at Tihar jail reportedly struck a chord within the industry. Several colleagues extended support, including Sonu Sood and Guru Randhawa. According to reports, Salman Khan, Ajay Devgan, David Dhawan, Varun Dhawan and Ratan Nair also reached out to Rajpal's manager Goldie, offering financial assistance. Speaking to Screen, Goldie said many in the industry have come forward to help, adding that Rajpal deeply appreciates the support being extended to him during this time. While multiple reports have referred to the amount as a loan, Rajpal Yadav has presented a different account. The actor maintains that the money was not a loan, but an investment made by a businessman who intended to eventually launch his grandson as an actor in the film industry. 3 allegations have been leveled against me. One claims that I committed fraud of Rs 5 crore. The second that I took a loan, third that I did a fraud. But according to me, it was a security check that I invested because I have never paid any interest on that money. The case is still pending in court, and I am grateful to the court for understanding my point of view. I received 5 crores from Madhav Gopal Agarwal. I did not take it as a loan. He invested the money as a financer because he wanted to launch his grandson as the lead actor. Addressing the controversy in a separate conversation, Rajpal Yadav said that attempts were made to malign his name, but he described himself as a phoenix who began with nothing and insisted that even if he is brought down, he will rise again from the ashes.